So what you're doing now, you're replacing the air shocks on a Discovery 3.
Yep.
You've been watching lots of other videos and they all seem quite complicated, but you found an easier way?
Yeah. Take the liner out the wheel arch and clip the air pipes.
Unclip the air pipe.
So you've got more room to play with.
And then you've taken the nut and the olive out of the new one.
Yep.
And put it on the end of the pipe, ready.
Yep. And then it's put new sockets over it.
So you've lowered it down so you've got plenty of room.
Yeah. I've got to get new shock in there. Then we lift new shock up. Put a piece of wood under new shock.
So you've just propped him up. You've got plenty of room to
get the
pipe on the
inner hole and screw it up.
And tighten it up.
That's so much simpler than what they say about trying to push it through the hole. As you can see, there's plenty of room. And we just nip him up.
So you're just lifting the shock back up into place. Putting the bolt in the bottom.
No, just
No.
get one on the top.
One nut on the top.
Wherever he is.
I think it's taken you more time to put that panel back on and take it off, isn't it? Than what it has to do the job on this side.